Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to AppIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to write a review in Google Maps. Once you're inside Google Maps, just simply click the button towards the lower right hand side that says contribute, and you'll be taken over to a section where you can basically write and review. So all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on add a place, or wherever you can add reviews, or you can add a place. It's really up to you which one of these options you want to click on first. And let's say I want to go ahead and add a review. I can tap on that option, go ahead and allow these different options here to Google Chrome. And here you can go ahead, you can search for a particular place. So here you can say I'm going to search for Moon Club as an example, right? I can go ahead and I can tap on that. It's going to pop up, and here you can go ahead and you can start by giving the reviews, give the ratings and so forth. It's really up to you. Write whatever you want to write there, and then you can scroll down and you can add photos here if you so desire in this section. Just basically go through and make a post, and once this is done, your first review will be given. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and give a review on Google Maps.